वेजिटेबल नेम, वेजिटेबल्स नेम, वेजिटेबल्स नेम यानी सब्जियों के नाम, सब्जियों के नाम. So kids, you know we have to eat vegetables because vegetables are very healthy for our body. In previous video I told you that we have to eat fruits because fruits are also very healthy for our body. Fruits and vegetables are boost our immune system. So we have to eat properly fruits and vegetables both. So now we start vegetables name. First is tomato. Which vegetable is this? Tomato. टोमेटो को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? टमाटर. टोमेटो को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? टमाटर. T-O-M-A-T-O. टोमेटो. T-O-M-A-T-O. टोमेटो. And the color of tomato is red. टोमेटो का कलर कौन सा होता है? Red. And we can make a healthy soup from tomato. हम टोमेटो से हेल्दी सूप बना सकते हैं और वो हेल्दी सूप हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो दिस इज द टोमेटो. नेक्स्ट, विच वेजिटेबल इज दिस? अनियन. विच वेजिटेबल इज दिस? अनियन. अनियन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? प्याज. क्या कहते हैं? प्याज. O-N-I-O-N. ओनियन. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. So which vegetable is this? Onion. And the color of onion is pink. The color of onion is pink. From outside it is pink and from inside it is white. So which vegetable is this? Onion. Which vegetable is this? Onion. Next, potato. Which vegetable is this? Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Potato को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? आलू. क्या कहते हैं? आलू. And the color of potato is gold and yellowish color. Potato का कलर कौन सा होता है? Gold and yellowish color. Okay? We can make chips and french fries from potato. So which vegetable is this? Potato. Which vegetable is this? Potato. Next, which vegetable is this? Brinjal. Which vegetable is this? Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. ब्रिंजल. ब्रिंजल को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? बैंगन. क्या कहते हैं? बैंगन. एंड द कलर ऑफ ब्रिंजल इज पर्पल. ब्रिंजल का कौन सा कलर होता है? पर्पल. एंड ब्रिंजल हैव क्राउन ऑन टॉप एंड द कलर ऑफ क्राउन इज ग्रीन. सो विच वेजिटेबल इज दिस? ब्रिंजल. B for brinjal. Next, which vegetable is this? Cucumber. C for cucumber. Cucumber को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? खीरा. ककड़ी. क्या कहते हैं? खीरा. C for cucumber. C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Which vegetable is this? Cucumber. And cucumber is used as a salad. Cucumber हम सैलेड में खाते हैं. किसमें यूज होता है? सैलेड में. ओके. नेक्स्ट is beetroot. Which vegetable is this? Beetroot. B for beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Root. Beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Root. Beetroot. And beetroot को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? चुकंदर. क्या कहते हैं? चुकंदर. And the color of beetroot is red. beetroot का कौन सा कलर होता है? Red. And beetroot increase our blood. वो हमारा hemoglobin बढ़ाता है. हमारा blood इंक्रीज करता है. So we have to eat beetroot, and beetroot is used as a salad. So which vegetable is this? Beetroot. Which vegetable is this? Beetroot. Now next, which vegetable is this? Peas. Which vegetable is this? Peas. Peas को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? मटर. क्या कहते हैं? मटर. P-E-A-S. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Which vegetable is this? Peas. Which vegetable is this? Peas. Now next, which vegetable is this? Cabbage. Which vegetable is this? Cabbage. Cabbage को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? पत्ता गोभी. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? पत्ता गोभी. C for cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. And kids, you know cabbage as known as a leafy vegetable. ये कौन सा vegetable है? Leafy vegetable. And the color of cabbage is green. Cabbage का कौन सा कलर होता है? Green. Now next, which vegetable is this? Radish. R for radish. Radish को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? मूली. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? मूली. R for radish. So next, which vegetable is this? Carrot. C for carrot. Carrot को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? गाजर. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? गाजर. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. So the color of carrot is red and orange. And especially red carrot is available in winter season. And carrot is very healthy for our eyes. So which vegetable is this? Carrot. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. So kids, these all are vegetables name. So vegetables name is done. Now we do one exercise in textbook. Now look here. First we read heading. Write V for vegetables and F for fruits. It means vegetable के आगे हमें V लिखना है and fruits के आगे हमें F लिखना है ये वाले बॉक्स में. Okay? So now let's start. First, this is a vegetable or fruit? Fruit. And which fruit is this? Grapes. G for grapes. So here we write V or F? F, because this is a fruit. So here we write F. Okay. Now next. Which vegetable is this? This is a vegetable. Vegetable, na? Yes. So this is a potato. P for potato. So here we write V. Because this is a vegetable. So here we write V. Now next. This is a fruit or vegetable? Fruit, because this is a apple. This is an apple. So here we write F. Why F? Because apple is a fruit. Now next. This is a fruit or vegetable? Fruit. And which fruit is this? Orange. O for orange. So here we write F. Orange is a fruit. Okay. Now next. This is a fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. So which vegetable is this? Brinjal. B for brinjal. So here we write V. Because brinjal is a vegetable. Now next. This is a fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. C for carrot. So here we write V. Because carrot is a vegetable. Now next. This is a vegetable, not fruit. Yes, vegetable. But which vegetable is this? Yes, beetroot. B for beetroot. So here we write V because beetroot is a vegetable. Okay, now next. This is a fruit or vegetable? Fruit. And which fruit is this? Watermelon. So here we write F because watermelon is a fruit. Now next. This is a fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. And which vegetable is this? Onion. So here we write V because onion is a vegetable. So kids, this activity is done. I hope you understand this activity and vegetables name. So kids, you have to do practice of this at your home. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.